Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Poshmark how to mark something as sold. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. On Poshmark, you don't manually mark the item as sold. The platform does it automatically when a buyer purchases it. So in order to do it when a buyer purchases, once someone buys your item, Poshmark automatically marks it as sold in your closet. The item moves from available to sold after my sales or sold. Then next, what you should do after sale is print the prepaid shipping label from the sold item page and package the item safely with bubble wrap tissue or etc. Then attach the label and drop it off as USPS or scheduled pickup. Then ship within 3 business days to avoid penalties. And then some of the tips are: if a buyer cancels the order before shipping, the item will go back to the available automatically. Keep a photo of the packaged item as a proof in case of disputes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.